Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about two major cruise lines that are known for a more luxury feel and what sets them apart. We're going to compare Celebrity Cruise Line and Princess Cruise Line. We're going to discuss the food, entertainment, atmosphere, activities, and then we will give you our opinion on which is the best. So if you're debating which one to choose for your next cruise vacation, you're in the right place. Let's start with one of the most important aspects of any cruise, the food. Now, both Celebrity and Princess offer an array of dining options, but they do have their differences. Celebrity is known for its upscale dining experience with a focus on modern cuisine crafted by top chefs. Even their main dining room is equal to many other cruise line specialty restaurants. Celebrity takes their food seriously. The only major issue is that they have a lot more specialty dining restaurants than they do included restaurants. If you want to enjoy some of the culinary adventures they offer, then you're going to pay a premium to enjoy it. The food is great. I don't think that you would be disappointed at all if you just ate in the included restaurants. There was a couple things I believe Celebrity could improve on when it comes to their food. First is the buffet. The food here was good, don't get me wrong. My only issue was the lack of variety, and it seemed to be pretty much the same food every day. I think that they should add a few more options and expand the buffet area a little more just to give it a little more variety. The other thing is the pizza. I know taste is subjective, but I think the pizza does need a little work, and the only place to get the pizza is the buffet. I think they should do like other cruise lines and make the pizza more accessible for a longer period of time throughout the day and into the evening. Let's talk about Princess's food now. They seem to offer a more traditional approach to dining with a mix of classic favorites and regional specialties. You will find everything from gourmet burgers to fresh seafood, all served in a relaxed atmosphere. Their food is great, but they don't go to the culinary extreme that Celebrity does. They also have less specialty restaurants and a few more included eateries than what you might find on Celebrity. Their specialty restaurants do elevate their food to that equal to Celebrity, but just like Celebrity, you will pay a premium to experience this. Princess does have more variety of food when it comes to their buffet, and they tend to change the courses up throughout the cruise, giving you a little more variety of choices. When it comes to the pizza, hands down, Princess has better pizza, and they have a separate location from the buffet where you can get this throughout the day and into the evening. My only complaint is that they closed the pizza place up way too early. During our cruise, it was closed around 9 or 10 p.m. This was the time that most of the entertainment was getting out and people were wanting a snack before turning in for the evening. I think that they should stay open at least another hour or two and allow for those evening snackers. The main dining room food was good. I didn't have any complaints, but it definitely isn't quite as good as what you would find in the main dining room on Celebrity. Even though Princess doesn't rise to the level of its culinary presentation as Celebrity, I still think the food was fantastic. When it comes to entertainment, both cruise lines pull out all the stops to keep you entertained from morning till night. Celebrity has an immersive style of entertainment. They do a lot of guest participation games and events. They also offer Broadway-style shows and special guest entertainment. On our cruise, they had special guest singers, magicians, and comics. If you're looking for a relaxing evening, Celebrity has bands throughout the entire ship. During the evening, most of these are located around the bar areas. They even have a show with their martini bartenders, and they offer a silent disco or dancing in the evenings down in the foyer area. Even though their entertainment wasn't as spectacular and over the top as some other cruise lines that we've been on, it was still great and did keep you entertained. Meanwhile, Princess has a lot going on too. Much like Celebrity, they have a variety of entertainment throughout the evening. They do a lot of comedic game shows, Broadway-style entertainment, and they also have special guests like comics and magicians. They do a little less guest-involved activities, but they still have a few if you want to join in. Princess seems to offer more smaller activities than Celebrity. You might have educational programs going on while having arts and crafts in an area and maybe even a health seminar in another. It may not be a huge entertainment spectacle, but it seemed like you always had the option of doing something. Now let's talk about the atmosphere. Celebrity Cruise Line is known for its sophisticated ambiance with sleek design, modern decor throughout the entire ship. Celebrity tries to get that elegant luxury feel with several areas where you can just sit and relax. Everywhere you go on this ship gives you kind of a sense of elegance and sophistication. Now, Princess Cruise Line, on the other hand, has a more traditional feel with elegant touches. They do have a classy feel, but they don't seem to go to the level that Celebrity does, trying to get that luxury feel. Princess is like a gateway between your traditional cruise and your luxury yacht. It has a little bit of both styles to help cater to all types of cruisers. When it comes to activities, both cruise lines have something for everyone. Both cruise lines do offer like cooking classes and demonstrations. They both have fitness seminars and art auctions. They both even have casinos. Celebrity offered a couple of things that we didn't see on Princess, however. The officers on board Celebrity did seem to interact with the guests a lot more and were even more available to talk to. They played games with the guests, like guest versus officer water volleyball. Another activity that they had on the ship was curling competitions in the foyer. I know this was kind of odd. And they even do mixology classes in the evening if you're into that sort of thing. Now, Princess is known for its enrichment programs, including art classes, guest lectures, and trivia. They do have an evening with the officers where they do a champagne waterfall. On this evening, they give out free champagne, and it's typically during one of the formal nights. Most of Princess's activities were smaller events scattered throughout the ship. They typically have more than one thing going on at a time, but don't worry, if a couple of the things that you really want to do overlap, they tend to have those more than one time during the cruise. So let's not forget about those little ones. Both Celebrity and Princess have fantastic kids clubs where the young cruisers can make new friends and take part in age-appropriate activities. During our cruise, we saw a lot more younger kids on Princess than we did on Celebrity. Now, I don't know if this was just the time of year or if it's typical, but we talked with a couple who sail Celebrity a lot, and they said they did notice the same thing. Celebrity does not offer a kids' pool area or a splash area. Matter of fact, if your kid isn't potty trained, they're not allowed in any of the pools on Celebrity. We visited a kids club area, and they're much smaller than some of the kids clubs areas that we've seen on other ships. But they did seem to have several activities in them to help keep the kids entertained. Now, Princess is all about immersion, and they do that well. They try to educate the kids about the destinations that they're heading and have activities that represent the cultures of those areas. The kids clubs are a little bit larger than those on Celebrity, and they seem to have a few more activities for the kids. On the cruises that we've been on, they had swimming and splash areas for the smaller kids as well. So which cruise line is better? Well, that's really going to depend on what type of vacation you want. If you're looking for that luxury vacation with elevated food and ultimate relaxation, then I would say that Celebrity is probably the best choice. If you're looking for a more modern feel sprinkled with just a little bit of luxury and relaxation, then Princess is probably your ship. If you're looking to take your kids, well, either one is good, but it really depends on what your kids like and what they want to do. If swimming is important and you have little ones, then you're not going to find that on Celebrity. Some of the older kids may enjoy Celebrity, but the younger kids will probably have a better time on Princess. Both are great ships, and we would gladly sail on either one of them again. As a matter of fact, we will be on one of these cruise lines very soon. Which one? Well, you're just going to have to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos and see. Have you sailed with either Celebrity or Princess before? Share your experience with us in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you get more great travel content. Until next time, happy sailing.